Digital technologies have a profound impact on economies and societies and are changing the way we work, communicate, engage in social activities, and enjoy ourselves. Due to the pandemic, the key pieces necessary to realize the technological transformation in education are already in place. The timing could not have been better for using technology to enable and improve learning at all levels, in all places, and for people of all backgrounds. Educational leaders need to create a shared vision for how technology can best meet the needs of all learners and develop a plan that translates vision into action. When carefully designed and thoughtfully applied, technology can accelerate, amplify, and expand the impact of effective teaching practices. Tools and data systems can be integrated seamlessly to provide information on student learning progress beyond the static and dated scores of traditional assessments. Communication and collaboration tools can be used to connect teachers and families with instantaneous ease. Keeping pace with the technology enabled learning, the Ministry of Human Resources and Development has launched various initiatives designed to promote digital learning, such as ePathshala, Diksha, National Repository for Open Educational Resources, National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, ePathshala Swayam, and Swayam Prabha DTH channels. These interventions have been introduced with the aim to raise the standards of teaching irrespective of the location of schools and institutes. Working in collaboration with families, cultural institutions, researchers, and teachers can eliminate inefficiencies, reach beyond the walls of traditional classrooms, and form strong partnership that supports everywhere, all the time learning. Thank you.